What's up?
What's up?
What's up? Summit Kids, this is Mr. Kendrick.
And Miss Veronica.
And we're here to talk about this week's Bible message. Wait a minute. What's today? Y'all know what today is?
March 28th, Saturday.
That's right. Sorry, lost my train of thought. You know, everybody's at home. I know you guys are experiencing the same things too, but guess what? In no time, we're going to be back here at Summit, worshiping our Father and just getting in the Word, and I can't wait.
Me either. So, from the both of us, we're excited and we can't wait to see your loving, beautiful faces. We're also glad you're here with us today. One more thing. All month long, we've been talking about our DIY project on forgiveness. Forgiveness is up to you. It's up to me. It's up to Mr. Kendrick.
Everybody.
Everybody, guys.
Yes, forgiveness is a do-it-yourself project because it's a decision that you have to make. Nobody can make it for you. And even when we decide to forgive, we can't do it alone. We need the help of God, and God has already put it in there for us. He gives us His power, His strength, and His love. And with those things, it gives us the power to forgive. And just know that when we forgive, remember that God forgave us.
Yes, and oh my gosh, I can't even say how happy I am to have God's forgiveness. All the crazy things that I've done. Okay, another thing. We wanted to come to you today and talk about our bottom line. This week, our bottom line is all about forgiving. So you have to forgive. If you don't forgive, you're going to miss out. You miss out on love, on family, on friends, on just happiness, everything that God provides to us.
Yep.
In addition to that, this week's Bible message is a continuation of the prodigal son. Remember the story about the father and the two sons? The younger son says, "Peace out, Dad. I'm leaving. I'm going to do this all by myself." Well, we found out that he didn't do a very good job. It didn't go out as it was planned. So, this week we're talking about forgiveness, how the older brother has to forgive the younger brother and the father. And in this Bible message video, you'll be able to see all that happens, and it's going to be good. So stay tuned. Let us know how you enjoyed it. Take pictures of you guys watching us. Take pictures of the worship or the videos of worshiping, your activities. We want to see you guys because every week your leaders are going to be right here on a Saturday.
That's right.
Talking to you about our Bible messages. And guys, just to let you know, we miss you. We love you.
Yes, we do.
Bye.